Water slammed against the glass walls of the office, blurring the city into streaks of gray and white. And right in the middle of it, she laughed. "Relax," Amara said, tossing my folder onto the table like it meant nothing. "You're overthinking it again." My fingers tightened around the edge of my chair. "I'm not overthinking," I said quietly. "You removed my name." She paused for a second. Then she smiled. "I didn't remove it," she said, walking slowly toward the window, heels clicking with that annoying confidence. "I just simplified things by erasing me." She turned, tilted her head. "You're being dramatic." The thunder outside cracked again, louder this time. I could feel it in my chest. We stood there, just the two of us in that glass conference room, while the storm raged like it knew something I didn't want to admit yet. "I built this with you," I said, my voice tighter now. "Every pitch, every sleepless night, and I'm not denying that." She cut in quickly. Too quickly. "You helped." Helped. That word landed like a slap. I stared at her, trying to find the girl I used to know. The one who used to split noodles with me because we couldn't afford dinner. The one who cried when our first client paid us. The one who said if we ever make it, we make it together. But she wasn't here anymore. This version of Amara? She adjusted her blazer like she had already won something. "I have a meeting in 10 minutes, she said casually. "Investors don't like confusion. One clear founder, one clear voice, and that's you." She didn't answer. She just smiled again. And that silence said everything. If you're already feeling this, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. "I'll fix it," she added, grabbing her phone. "We'll talk later, okay?" "No." The word came out sharper than I expected. She stopped, slowly turned back. "What?" "You don't get to fix this later," I said, standing now. My chair scraped loudly against the floor. "You don't get to erase me and then schedule me like I'm a problem." Her eyes hardened slightly. "You're making this difficult," she said. "No," I replied, my voice shaking now, not from fear, but from something building inside me. "You already made it difficult. I'm just reacting to it." Another flash of lightning lit up the room. For a second, her face looked colder. "Look," she sighed, walking closer. "You're talented. You are. But you're not investor material." I blinked. "What?" "They don't see you the way they see me," she continued, softer now, like she was explaining something obvious. "You get emotional. You hesitate. You second guess. That doesn't inspire confidence. And you think lying does." "It's not lying," she snapped, irritation finally breaking through. "It's positioning." "Positioning?" "Yes. Strategy. Branding. Do you think big companies are built on complete honesty?" She scoffed. "Grow up." I took a step back. This wasn't a mistake. This was intentional. She had already decided I was expendable. A knock came at the door. "Amara, the investors are here." Amara straightened instantly, smoothed her hair, adjusted her expression, like flipping a switch. "Coming," she called out. Then she looked at me. "You can sit this one out," she said. "I'll handle it." "Sit this one out?" My chest tightened. "Amara," I said, "I'll handle it." And just like that, she walked out, leaving me standing there alone. The door clicked shut.